the biggest gaming projects that I'm bullish on, and I think will make the biggest gains in 2025. Basically, we are in December 27th. In 4 days, we will reach a 2025, and I think gaming will be the biggest narrative because games like GTA 6 will come out, and gaming has been building since like 2022, and these will be the biggest projects that we'll talk about right now. First of all, if you are talking about gaming chains that are basically ecosystems, gaming blockchains like Immutable, running Avalanche, my favorite, ApeCoin as well. I think that will be one of the biggest chains. One of my, my favorite gaming chain is Running. Why Running? Because Running has the biggest game, Axie Infinity, and many holders, many players will come back in 2025 when the bull run actually starts, when everything goes crazy up. And you can see Running's market cap is only around $700-800 million. Fully diluted is 2 billion, but they will not unlock that much in 2025. That's why if they unlock all the tokens, the market cap will be around 1 billion. And looking at the fact that Avalanche is basically a gaming chain right now, and the market cap for Avalanche is around $20 billion, and this has 1 billion. I think Running has a potential to go to $50 billion in this cycle, maybe even 100 if everything gets crazy, because we don't know how crazy it will get. The president is bullish. Countries are buying Bitcoin, so crypto is bullish for that reason. And I think the base scenario is $50 billion, so it would make around 50x from now. That's why I'm most bullish on Running. I think people actually are building. Games are going from Immutable to Running. The Treeverse, Axie Infinity, Pixels and Axie Infinity is two biggest games with the most active users. So let's go to the Pixels. One of the games that I'm most bullish on because Mocha and the Mocha brands is building on Pixels. Many projects are building on Pixels like Cyberkongs. Many projects in 2023 and early 2024 were building. And I think as gaming comes back, and here you can see gaming has been pumping lately for the last 7 days, on average like 10%, 20%, many projects even, some projects even 88%, like this one, Adventure Gold. I don't even know what it is, but as I'm telling you, gaming has been building since 2022. So the next project after Pixels, and again, Pixels has around market cap of 200 million, quite low for that many users. That's why I think this is a really bullish project. Next project is Akomi Vivi. This is more of an NFT, maybe metaverse project because they have launched a metaverse. And the bullish fact about Akomi is that they have huge brands like Marvel, DC, Disney, and when these brands start talking about Akomi, their NFTs on their social platforms, Instagram, Twitter, everything will go crazy. There are many loyal holders of Akomi. And if you are looking at the price, the market cap is $100 million and fully diluted is 127. That's why I think it's bullish, because the selling pressure right now is quite decent. But after they unlock all the tokens, the founders cannot dump, the whales cannot dump, because after the selling pressure is gone, I think there will be new people in 2025 buying basically this token. And you can see all-time high was 0.003 in April 2022, 3 years ago. And right now the price is basically 10x lower, 86% lower actually. So I'm bullish on Akomi Vivi since 2021. One of my biggest gains was in this project. Now next one is Star Atlas. Market cap 66 million, price $0.003. This is one of the biggest hypes in 2021. As you can see, price was $0.23. Right now it is like much lower. But if you're looking at market cap, it's not that low. It was 400 million, and right now it is like 67 million, so it is around 7x lower. So we have a 7x, 6x gain potential, at least maybe even 10x, 20x, depending on how huge will be gaming in 2025. In my opinion, it will be one of the biggest narratives. That's why I'm making this list. Now, this is a space game, really well made. People will remember it from 2021. That's why there will be many old holders coming back. Next project is Pirate Nation. Basically one of my like top 5, top 3 holdings, because Pirate Nation is a game that was created like in 2022, 2023. And why I'm bullish is because one of the biggest investment firms, A16Z, invested like $33 million with other VC firms. And looking at the fact that they haven't pushed marketing so much, I think they have a big capital to deploy to make this game huge, make huge shockwaves in this industry when the real time comes. And you can buy this token on Bybit. If you want to get a trading bonus, you can use my Bybit link in the description. You will get a trading bonus for signing up with my referral link. And yeah, Pirate Nation is basically a game, pirate game. You can buy pirates as NFTs. You can buy ships as NFTs. You basically pay 0 gas on the, I think, Arbitrum. They are building on Arbitrum. So market cap only 35 million, fully diluted, still quite low. That's why I'm really bullish. This could reach, I think, $5 billion. So this could be around 50x potential, similar to Running, because again, A16Z is huge project. Investment firm. And next project I'm bullish on is Mon. This is basically a Pixelmon token. Many NFT investors remember the Pixelmon when they launched their NFT project. They basically earned like 70 million. They raised like 70 million for that sale, and they came out with some really horrible NFTs like Kevin. You may remember from 2022, but they basically remade those NFTs, and now they are looking great, like similar to Pokemon. I think this is the closest project to Pokemon. And market cap is 227 million, quite low, because they have actually some games in 2024, 2023. They are building the main game. They have some little arcade games. That's why I think this is a really strong team, because they have proven that they can build something. And I think 2025 will be huge for Mon. You can also stake your Mon if you buy it and get some airdrops, some staking rewards. So check it out on their website. Next project is Gamestarter. Gamestarter is basically a gaming launchpad, which means that you buy their token, you stake it or lock in, and when they release new game, new token comes out, they give you some allocation. You can invest early. You basically are like seed investor. So when the token comes out that they are pushing, you're getting easy 10x, 20x, less than that, more than that. And right now you can see the token has dumped quite a bit, but that's because gaming hasn't yet come back. And I think these launchpads will be huge, because games will be launched. And as we are approaching the 2025, I think gaming will be one of the biggest narratives, and there will be many upcoming projects that are just launching tokens first, and gaming will come in few years. That's why keep your eyes on Gamestarter. Also, one of the most underrated gaming launchpads is Launchblock. This has really low market cap, around $300,000. Fully diluted is not even million. That's why there is a huge upside for 100x, 1000x for this project. But always be careful with these low cap projects, because they are much weaker. If nothing comes, it's easier for them to basically die. These projects die. That's why always be careful. But in my opinion, this could have a huge potential. Next game is Pixelverse. Again, upcoming game in this space. Market cap only $4.6 million, fully diluted 15 million. These are really low market caps. Even meme coins have $1 billion market caps. That's why I am basically putting just $100 in these small caps if I cannot afford to put more. Because the upside, in my opinion, is huge. And again, this video is not a financial advice. Do your own research, go on their social media, on their Discords, and check if they are building. If you want to buy this token, you can buy on Bybit. Again, you can use my referral link to get a big trading bonus up to $30,000 in trading bonuses. So all links are in the description and in comment section. Next up is Neot Tokyo. Now, this has a market cap of $13 million. It doesn't show the max supply. I don't know. Maybe it's bigger than total supply right now. But why I'm bullish on this game is because the creator of this project is Alex Becker. You probably know if you are in crypto space. He's one of the biggest influencers. He has his YouTube channel. He's talking about crypto as well. And it basically went from $1 in 2023 to 17. Right now, it has basically dumped from $13 to $7. And looking at the fact the market cap is low, relatively low, and if you have one of the biggest influencers building this project with Elliot Trades, I think they are both founders, co-founders, and there's also a big basically ecosystem. I think they are launching games as well, and they have many partners, many gaming partners. That's why this is really under the radar. They launched probably in 2022 or 2023 when we had a big bear market. That's why all these projects will go crazy, I think. And again, if if gaming comes comes back, and if you're looking at GTA 6 launching in 2025, I think gaming will be huge in 2025. So the next game is Sandbox. I also made a video about Sandbox. It is the biggest metaverse, the most developed metaverse. They have been developing the whole bear market. They have many brands building games. Although these are like pixelated pixel games, 3D pixel games. They have many huge brands. Snoop Dogg, Paris Hilton. Go on their website. When you go on their website, you can actually see many huge brands building. So if we scroll down here, you can see one championship. This is basically something like MMA. If we scroll here, we can see there was this list of all the games. All the brands. Here you can see Playboy, Atari, Hell's Kitchen, I think this is like Ramsey or something. Deadmau5, Ledger is building, Snoop Dogg, Paris Hilton, Steve Aoki, The Walking Dead, The Smurfs, Ubisoft, Warner Music. Huge partnerships. There was this Decentraland, another basically metaverse project. I think this was the top one and Decentralized was top two, but this is still so much bigger than Decentraland. Now, the last two projects. First is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity was the biggest game in 2021. As you can see here, the market cap basically reached $9 billion, almost $10 billion. Right now, it's $1 billion, so 10x lower. The price is from $6 to $150. That is like 20x lower. That's why I always watch the market cap. It will be much harder for them to reach this price, $150. But nothing is impossible. Many old holders will come back to this game. Although there are many huge games in this space, new games that people will enjoy more. This is still the leader one of the leaders, because huge holders. And why I'm bullish on this game is because it is on running chain. Running again has the biggest in 2025, Axie Infinity. That's why many old holders will come back. They will buy running to get access to Axie Infinity. If you want to buy this token, again, buy on Bybit. Use my referral link. Referral code is in the description if you want to get a big trading bonus. Now, the last gaming project, gaming, basically network and chain, is ApeCoin. I think they are launching their own metaverse. The other side, they have been launching since 2022. So I don't know when they are actually launching. This has been so long. But they have their own chain. Many games will be launching on Ape Chain. Many NFT projects are launching on Ape Chain. That's why I think the price of this Ape Chain will go up. You see, all-time high was around $5.5 billion. Right now, we are at $1 billion. The price is $1.28. The all-time high is around $20. And we could easily go back to $20 billion market cap. So 20x from now is not, I think it will, many gaming coins will reach their all-time highs, go much higher, because when the 2025 comes, I think the meme coins will lose its power and people will be interested in actual utility coins, and gaming is actual utility. Meme coins, the only utility for meme coins, for most meme coins, is just for price to go up or down, some celebrity hype. And as you may know, meme coins are usually the biggest when the cycle starts and when the cycle ends. So when there is not so much activity, the retail is not here yet, the meme coins are pumping, basically pure gambling. But when the people think crypto is the future, when we have some utility coming and people think that this is actually new technology, new inventions, that they will stay, these inventions will stay, that's when the people are starting to invest in utility, because right now the old heads, the people that are in crypto, they are basically trading meme coins because they understand that there is no utility actually in crypto. They are not believers in crypto. They just want to buy something and go away after 5x, 10x, 20x. But when we get to euphoria, which will start probably in January, and it goes up from for 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, that's when people start thinking that this is actually something cool that will never go away. The prices will only the prices will either go up or just stay stagnant, just go sideways. People think that nothing will go down, that this technology is huge, or everyone is adopting NFTs, gaming, crypto, and that's when the huge gains will come, because big investors will think like gaming is biggest ecosystem, biggest entertainment basically ecosystem in the world, that you have to invest in gaming, and this is a long-term investment. But when everything goes back, like 90% dumps, that's when people will realize that you have to take your profits. Don't look at this like nothing will go down. When you see a coin going up significantly, it will go down significantly. That's just a nature. But I'm still bullish on 2025. This will be insane. We have presidents, countries buying Bitcoin, buying crypto. And yeah, basically, again, if you want to buy some coins like these ones, you can use my Bybit referral link in the description. You will get a huge trading bonus, up to $30,000 in bonuses. And you can buy most coins on Bybit, and you can use leverage. That's why if you want to use my basically trading link, referral link, it's in the description and in comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on videos and on alpha like this. And I'm making alpha almost daily about NFTs, crypto, gaming. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.